This book is called Skeleton's Big Sneeze by Steve Metzger and Dean Gray. "It's Witch's Halloween party tonight," Skeleton exclaimed. "I can't wait. There'll be scary games and a talent show, too." "What should I do at the talent show?" Skeleton wondered. "Sing a song? Juggle? Rock and robot? Maybe I'll just do my monster-pleasing tap dance." "Achoo!" Skeleton sneezed softly. "Uh-oh, I hope I'm not catching a cold." Skeleton's clock chimed. "Slimy snakes!" she cried. "I've got to go." Skeleton raced to Witch's house and rang the doorbell. Shivering, she sneezed a little bit louder. Achoo! "Welcome," Witch squeaked. "Come in and join us." Skeleton followed the spooky music to the living room. All of Skeleton's friends were already there. Wolfman and Dracula were playing pin the tail on the black cat. Mummy was trying to tag Frankenstein, and Ghost was looking for the Invisible Man. "Hey, Skeleton," the Invisible Man called. "Do you want to join our game of hide and seek?" "That sounds like a... achoo!" Skeleton's bones rattled with a clickety-clack. "Spiders and bats. If I sneeze, it would be too easy to find me," she thought. "What about a game of haunted chairs instead?" "Isn't this fun?" Skeleton cried out as one of the chairs grabbed her. "I win!" Ghost shouted. "Now, let's play my favorite game, Peek-a-Boo." "Maybe later," said Witch, "but now it's time for the terrible talent show." "I'll start," Mummy said, even though I usually wrap things up. Mummy performed magic tricks. With a puff of smoke, he made Dracula disappear. Then Mummy pulled a hissing cobra out of a top hat. "I'm next," Skeleton exclaimed. "I'm going to perform my bouncy bones tappity-tap dance," Skeleton said, with a click to the left and a clack to the right, a spin and a jump, and oh no, Skeleton froze. Another sneeze was coming, a big one. Achoo! Look what happened. Such a big sneeze, it blew her apart. And everyone else. Skeleton sneezed so loudly that her bones flew everywhere. "Bat-tastic!" this Invisible Man shouted. "Do it again!" howled Wolfman. "Spooktacular!" Witch screamed. "She's the hands-down winner." "But I didn't mean to fall apart," Skeleton said. "Help me, please." Ghost tried to scare Skeleton's bones back in place. "Boo!" But that didn't work. "Let me try," Mummy said. "Perfect. Now she's fit for a tomb." "I don't think that's right," said Skeleton. "I'm great with puzzles," Dracula said. "Just watch." But that didn't work either. "What am I gonna do?" Skeleton sighed. "Step aside, monsters," Witch called out. "I'll show you how it's done." Witch waved her wand, and a cloud of smoke surrounded Skeleton. She took out some items from her pocket and shouted and chanted, "Chicken bone, raven's feather, skeleton bones come together." When the smoke cleared, Skeleton looked down. "Thank you, Witch. I'm me again." "You're very welcome," Witch replied. "But you really should take care of that cold." How about some rotten apple tea? Which led her friends to the dinner table, and now let's have our annual Halloween feast, she announced. Skeleton picked up a bowl, but then, everything all right? Witch asked. Skeleton said, amazing party. Happy Halloween. This was interesting. I'll share this with you. This was fun facts about bones. These are real facts about bones. The longest and heaviest bone in the human body is the thigh bone, which is in the upper part of the leg. The smallest bone is the stapes, one of the 3 tiny bones in each middle ear. It's less than 1 inch long. Stapes bones help transmit sound waves through the eardrum and helps hearing. Human hands have 27 bones in 3 groups: the phalanges in your fingers and thumb, the metacarpals in the palm, and the carpals in the wrist. And the last fact is, babies have about 300 bones in their bodies at birth. Some of the bones begin to join together so that a full-grown adult has a grand total of 206 bones. Interesting.